Hey everyone, and welcome to my review for the Infinix 035G. This is a mid-range phone that packs a lot of premium features and it's one of the most affordable device with a 144Hz curved AMOLED display. It's a slim and sleek phone that is featherlight. Infinix 035G is an elegant as you would ever want on a smartphone to be, with its body consisting of a glass front, which is a Gorilla Glass 5, and an Eco leather back and a plastic frame. The body design and the build ooze class, elegance, and demand for attention. Furthermore, its aesthetic make it stand out, adding to it the delicacy, intricateness in design, and deliberate effort to connect with your innermost fantasies. On the weight, the phone weighs around 185 grams. Indeed, it will fit perfectly in your pocket as you go with your business, pulling it out to check notification and maybe calls in a hassle-free mode, considering its fitting size and a lightweight phone. Moreover, the phone is IP53 rated, that is dust and splash resistant, and has a Corning Gorilla Glass 5. These features are great for the Infinix 030, whereas they give you peace and mind when you caught out in a sudden storm or the phone falls accidentally. It's available in Rome Green, Golden Hour, and Fantasy Purple. The phone is beauty to behold, with aesthetic preemptive for more to come once the device is turned on. Starting with the design, the 035G has a sleek and stylish design. It has a curved glass back and a metal frame. It feels very premium in the hand. On the display, 035G has a 6.78-inch curved AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate. This is one of the best displays you'll find on a mid-range phone. It's sharp, bright, and has excellent viewing angles. The 144Hz refresh rate makes everything on the phone feel smooth and fluid, for scrolling through web pages to playing games. On the camera, the 035G has a triple camera system on the back. The main camera is a 108 megapixel sensor, and there is also a 50 megapixel ultra wide camera and a 2 megapixel macro camera. The front facing camera is a 50 megapixel. The camera performance on the 035G is very good. The main camera can take sharp and detailed photos in good lighting condition. The ultra wide camera is also good, but it's not as sharp as the main camera. The macro camera is just okay. The front facing camera is great for selfies and video calls. It can take sharp and detailed photos and videos even in the low light condition. On the operating system, the mid-range phone holds a punch when it comes to performance. Infinix installed with the latest Android 13 on the year 030 model, along the XOS 13 UI combined with the OS and UI work in unison to maximize your experience as you immerse yourself into the downloaded and default application and social media interaction, and customized the phone appearance to suit your mood, personality, and motivation. On the processor, the Infinix 030 possesses a reliable and decent processor. It has an octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 8020 6nm chipset integrated with Mali G77 MC9 GPU, which ensures your phone operates at smoothly and without any lagging issues. On the memory, the Infinix 035G comes with a 256GB internal storage and up to 12GB of RAM. It also has a micro SD card slot for additional memory card. On the connectivity, it has a 5G enabled network and is capable of fast uploading and downloading speeds. To improve your connectivity and communication, the device features a USB Type-C port and has a Wi-Fi port and has a Bluetooth connectivity, and also has several sensors such as the fingerprint sensor, which is under display, and accelerometer, gyrometer, and a compass sensor. Furthermore, it has dual speakers which improve your audibility and increase sound output quality. Unfortunately, the phone has no 3.5mm jack. It would be best to rely on Bluetooth connectivity or an adapter on the USB Type-C port to access and use FM radio on your addictive handset. On the battery, the Infinix 030 5G is a big phone with an unreserved hunger for power to run operation. It has a 5000 mAh battery and has a 68 watts wired charging. This means that the phone can be charged up to 80% in just 30 minutes. Overall, the Infinix 030 5G is a great mid-range phone. It has a premium design, a great display, a good performance, and a long-lasting battery. The camera performance is also very good. If you are looking for a mid-range phone with a lot to offer, the Infinix 030 5G is a great option to consider. Thanks for watching my review for the Infinix 030 5G. I hope it was helpful. If you have any question, please leave them in comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech videos. See you in my next video. Bye.